In this tutorial, you'll learn how to effectively add and manage rows and columns using Canvas first. Select the Sheets option from the left menu to access Canva's spreadsheet tools. Now, choose a custom size to set up your new document, then select the document template that suits your needs, such as an A4 landscape. Next, open the Elements panel and enter a description for the table element you want. Select a recent table option to quickly add it to your canvas. You can choose a color palette to style your table and drag its edge to resize as necessary. Open the More Options menu and add a new column to expand your table structure. To organize your table, open the More Options menu and add a new row to expand your table structure. Finally, add a new row from the dropdown. Now, simply click the plus icon to add a new row or column to your table. Drag the divider to further customize the row height. You've now mastered adding rows and columns in Canva.